Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can fix the Thrustmaster T80 pedals if they're not working. In order to do so, here we are at support.thrustmaster.com, and if you scroll down, you will find here in the knowledge base, my T80 is not recognized, it does not respond, or its mapping is inconsistent in a console game. And if we take a closer look at that, we have a few suggestions here to make sure that everything is set up properly. So first off, we want to make sure that the light comes on. The T80 has a red light located on the wheel, which lights up when you directly connect the racing wheel to a USB port on the console. So if you don't see that light, then that is one indication that there may be an issue. You also want to check and select the mode. The T80 has a mode that allows it to be recognized as either as a controller or as a racing wheel by your console. Depending on your game or console, it might be necessary to check to make sure that the mode corresponds to the desired use. To select the gamepad mode or the racing wheel mode, unplug the T80 from the console, press and hold the PlayStation button located on the T80's wheel, connect the steering wheel directly to the console's USB port by holding the PS button, release the PS button, press and hold the PS button again, and log into your profile. Once in your session, release the PS button. Make sure the light matches the mode that you want. So for more information on the gamepad mode, racing wheel mode, you might want to take a look at the manual as well. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look at the link in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI tool recommendations as well as our socials. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.